digital, human beings, and of course, it was a good one, I promise. I'm Selae Thobakgale. I'm a Chief Strategy Officer at The Odd Number.
What does that mean?
It means that I solve problems every day for a living so great creative work can thrive.
Why did you get into the creative business?
I'm a creative thinker and I believe that creativity can really change the world.
What's your psych-up song before a big pitch or meeting?
Right now, it's BTS, Butter, like a criminal undercover. Ooh.
What, in your opinion, are the elements that contribute to the best creative work?
Be willing to be vulnerable. That's it.
What should creative agencies be doing now to prepare for the future?
Knowing what the future holds, and that is digital, that is getting the right talent. The more young people that you get in your organization, the better. It is also really thinking about, the human being and the people that we're trying to serve with our creativity and with our advertising.